Hey guys, and welcome to another video. For today, we're going to be doing episode 4 of Stranded Survival. Let's get started. First, I've noticed that lots of our trees have grown, so I'll mine that up right now. Okay, this is actually taking way too long, so I'm going to go and craft an axe. Okay, let's get some sticks. Let's craft an axe. Okay, so stone axe. Okay, let's get our stone axe. Okay. Let's put all this back in here because we don't need it. And let's finish getting all this done. What? It's literally all night already? I haven't even finished. Okay, I guess we should go to sleep right now. Okay, let's get back to breaking blocks. We got 62 wood from that. That's a whole lot. Holy cow. 62 wood. Holy cow, that's a lot of wood. Oh, there's more. We have more than a stack of wood here. I missed an entire... did a tree just grow? I think a tree just grew. Yeah, we have 67 wood. Holy cow. And 16 saplings. Holy cow. Actually, I think we have 17. Holy cow. Okay, I'm gonna finish mining these leaves, and I'll see you then. Seriously, a tree just grew? What is going on? Now I have... Oh my gosh. And another tree just grew. This is gonna take longer than I thought. What we need is some kind of AFK tree farm. This is taking way too long. And another tree just grew. Great. What is going on? Okay, we have... Yes, we have 30... We have 30 saplings. Holy cow. I can't believe it. 30 saplings. I'm not going to place them right now because... then I'm just going to get more. So, I'm going to... I think we're running out of space. Okay, so I guess we need to craft some oak wood. Okay, I'm just going to put this all in. Okay, we have... Okay. Oh my gosh, 4 stacks of wood. Okay. Holy cow, we have we have exactly 5 1/4 stacks of wood. We are out of space. I'm gonna sort this. So I'm guessing. Okay, I'll put like ore and stuff in here and like natural stuff in here. Be right back. Okay, everything is sorted. We have our we have this in here and this in here. I think we've gotten plenty of wood to spare though. I mean, like actually 6, like almost 7 stacks of wood. Holy cow, that's crazy. So I think I'm gonna go mining and see some more, if we can find some more stuff to put in here. So, yeah, I want to see if we can find more stuff to put in here. Okay, I'm gonna get, yes, I have my pickaxe, and I'm gonna go mining. Oh, phew, I thought I found the cave. Holy cow, that would have startled me so badly. Okay. I'm gonna try. I just heard a zombie. Is there a cave? Did a zombie spawn? I'm not sure. I'm going to get some torches. I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to get torches and place them around. Okay. It's turning to nighttime, so I'll have to get up and out. Okay, let's see what tomorrow brings for us. Okay. So let's see. So mining has been going pretty well. We've done this much so far. I think we should probably place a torch right here. So let's see what we've got. Okay, let's see. We've got a stack of cobblestone, pretty good. Some diorite we can make, and something we can make into some fancy floors. Okay, I'm gonna turn this into some fancy floors right now. Okay. Okay, we've gotten 10 fancy floors right now, if you're not counting these. I think it looks okay. So we got all this. I'm so super curious about what was that? Is there a cave under here? Oh, it sounds so weird. I'm not sure where it's coming from, but I keep hearing it. It's so weird. I don't understand. I don't understand why it's happening. Let's see what else is going on. There it is again. There it is again. Is there a cave under here or something? There's definitely something under here, but why am I hearing it now? Is there like a gigantic cave under here? Why am I hearing it now? Seriously? I don't understand why. I guess I'll go back to mining some more because I keep hearing zombie noises. Why zombie noises? Now skeleton noises. Great. Okay, I'm going up. It's always a mix of pig sounds or zombie noises or skeleton noises or whatever. What can we do with all these oak wood planks? I have no idea. What was that? Okay, I'm going to eat. What's going on? I keep hearing footsteps. What is it? I don't see anything. This is starting to get a bit creepy. I bet it's gonna start again. What, is there something under here? I don't understand. Are the footsteps gonna... I'm gonna... Okay. That seriously didn't... This is playing calming music. Okay. So we're back to full health and stuff. So this just feels so weird. Why is there all zombie noises and like footsteps? I'm still not sure what we should do with all this. I mean, we like almost 7 whole stacks. I mean, that's just crazy. I'm gonna plant the saplings. Let's just start it right here. There we go. All 30. Holy cow, that's a lot of saplings. I bet when I come back and like a whole bunch of them have grown, oh my gosh. I have no idea what we're supposed to use all this wood for. I mean, it's just kind of overpowered. Let's see. I'm kind of thinking of like, I was thinking of smelting some stuff, but I can't remember what I wanted to smelt. This is weird. Yes, I wanted to cook some food. Okay, let's cook some food. Let's see, we can use torches. Let's get some pork chops first. Actually, how about we just use some of our wood? I mean, it just seems like a good time to use our wood right now. Let's use this one that isn't a full stack. Okay. Let's get some of our foods. Actually, I'm gonna put this in here and leave it be for right now. It just feels so blank around here. Like, there's like nothing. Oh my gosh, like, I mean, there's even a pond, but so it just feels so lonely. I mean, like there's, it's on an island, of course, but absolutely none of this is on purpose, actually. And the tree goes right now. Great. I'm not gonna do it because I have way too much. I have way too much wood already. Okay. Let's see. We've got a cooked mutton and some more cooked mutton. We have a whole lot of cooked mutton. What is it? Okay. I'm gonna turn. Let's see if the player's sound is off. It's gone. Seems to be gone. Good. Okay, now we've got some food too. This has definitely been a weird episode with footsteps and. You're just teasing me by now. You're just teasing me. Like, more trees? The footsteps again. Oh, wait, is it footsteps of animals? I have no idea. Well, let's sleep. It's not night yet? Okay, I'm gonna hold right click until it's night. Yes, it's finally night. Great. Well, I think this is a good place to end the video for right now. If you want to see more Stranded Survival, please tell me. I really hope you liked this video. Bye!